So I'm looking at the mowers at Home Depot. Cub Cadets are $2,000. And this is pretty much a base model. Oh, and it's got the IntelliPower. This is an electronic throttle control. They got a bunch of Cub Cadets. They also got 0 turns here too. Oh, look, this one's got the actual cable throttle. So this is the actual good ones with the choke and crap there. This one's a 46-inch model, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 46-inch. And then there's some, I don't know what brands these are. What? 19 horsepower. That seems pretty underpowered for a 46-inch. Cruise? Oh, it's a Murray. Murray Cruise. And then they also got the lawn chargers here. Just to engage the deck, I guess. And then the height adjustment. I didn't know they make gear-driven models still. Where's my mower? This is my mower right here, I think. Yeah, S100, except it's got the green deck right here. Yep, 17.5 horsepower engine. And this one's got the 48-inch deck. This is the S140. This is a V-twin engine under here. What do the engines look like under here? I'm gonna have to go in the front. These are all S100s over here. And they got the S140. I might be able to see the engine noise over here a bit better. And the V-twin 22 horsepower. And then the Murrays. What horsepower is this? 13.5? 13.5 horsepower? That feels underpowered for some reason. And then this one's a Murray Cruise. What deck is this? 50-inch? Look at this. And then these Cub Cadets. Oh, this one's got a 22 horsepower Kohler. That one's got the cable throttle. And then this one's got the IntelliPower. You can see it's got the cheap Chinese engine. And then the electronic throttle. Alright, that's a like, subscribe, share as always. We'll see you guys in the next one.